Hey, what's up, everybody? Chad Boyle, eXp Realty, Atlanta, Georgia. Just want to make this quick video reading the book Expert Secrets. It's an awesome book. Highly recommend it. One of the things I was reading about is everybody's an expert at something, and so I'm reading it because I want to learn how to better market to people who are buying a home or selling a home. But in addition to that, it also talks about how you can become an expert. So obviously, I'm an expert in real estate. Obviously, there's components of it that I'm of a real estate business that I'm better at than others. So I would say, just from my background, from being a CPA, that some of my strengths are business analysis, um, number tracking, ROI analysis on lead sources, financial statements, that type of thing. So um, what this kind of talks about is what are your areas of expertise? Where can you add value? What are the things that are just easy to you that you kind of take for granted that maybe there's a way that you can monetize those and those skills and then help someone else who isn't as strong in that area as possible. So just wanted to share that because what are the areas, maybe you're in real estate, what are the areas of real estate that you're really strong in? I mean, is it managing the transaction? Is it getting people on the phone and converting them to appointments? Is it just kind of the back end stuff? Like where in because real estate, running a real estate business, there's a lot of moving parts and pieces. So it's finding out what is that one component where you are the best, where your skills are really good, and finding a way to both help other people and make some additional money from your real estate business. So just wanted to share that. If you have any questions, 678-761-2493. Thanks for watching this. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video.